there! In this video, we'll walk you step by step through how to download ConnectUC Desktop on your computer. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to the ConnectUC website. Open your preferred browser and search for connectuc.io in the address bar. Once you're on the ConnectUC website, look for the Downloads section and click on it. On the Downloads page, you'll see different options depending on your device. Since we're installing it on a computer, in this case, we'll select the Windows version. Click on it and your download will start automatically. Step 2. Run the installer. Once the download is complete, open the file. You can click it directly from your browser or find it in your Downloads folder. A small window might appear when you click to open the file. In some cases, it will ask for permission to run the app. When that happens, click Run or Execute App to continue. Step 3. Complete the installation. The installation will begin automatically. Just wait a few moments while it finishes setting everything up. Once it's done, you'll see the ConnectUC desktop icon appear. It should open automatically, or you can click on it manually. Step 4. Log in. You'll now see the login screen. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you don't have your login details yet, no worries. Just send us an email at support@advancednetworkservices.us. And one of our agents will be happy to get you set up. After entering your credentials, you'll be inside the app. You've successfully installed ConnectUC Desktop on your computer. We hope you have a smooth experience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.